Hey guys, Luke here back, and today I am doing my first ever Draw Your Comments video. And in this series, here's what I'm going to do. So, since this is my first video, well, in regular videos past this, I'm going to do 3 comments. But this one, I'm only doing 2. One of mine, and one of NONOnap's. So, for the first one video, well, here's how it works. So, basically, you comment on this video for next video, and then I pick the top 3 comments for the next video, and then I pick them, and then I draw them. So, the first comment was suggested by NONOnap, and he said, draw a slime eating a butt and legs. So, let's start. Oh, nope. I almost made a rectangle. There we go. Kind of looks like a slime, and there you go. Need some eyes up in here. And a nose. And then a mouth. Oh, I'm gonna go back. Okay. Nope. Nope. And do. There we go. So red. Need red. There we go. And I need black. And done. Should be good. And, well, I'm not exactly done. I'm just saying, like, I'm done with the mouth. So now I need this. I'm just gonna go like this to fix it. Kinda, yeah, that looks good. Now do, oh. And do. There we go. So, oh my god, that's pretty bad version of the eyes. But I'm gonna color this part in. Nope. Let me just go back, and I'm gonna switch it right like this. Yeah, this seems good. Guys, if you're wondering what app I'm using, it is called FlipClap. So yeah, okay, so this should be, never mind. Wait a minute, actually I have an idea. Maybe if I can, no, you know what, I'll just leave it blank. I'm not coloring in the eyes, because that's definitely not working. But I'm gonna just color in the nose real quick. And there we go. And then now we need to color in the slime and make a butt and legs. But first, I'm gonna just draw some little slime balls around it, because a slime always has slime balls. Because most of you know, if you watch Minecraft videos or play Minecraft, that if you kill a slime, sometimes it drops slime balls. So yeah, color this slime in, and then draw a butt. And oh wait, actually though, there's another little adjustment I want to make also to it. Wait, let me just color it in like so. And like that, and now I need a black line. Go like that. Okay, made a little tongue. There we go. So now I need to change back to green and color this in. Oh, nope, wrong green. Definitely wrong green. They all look so similar, I don't know which one's which. Though, nope, that one's not it. Maybe this one? You know what? I'm not sure it's it, but I'm just gonna, how about, a multicolored slime? Yeah, multicolored rainbow slime. mix in these colors a little. It kind of looks like a good green, but kind of not. If you can look at the nose coloring though, and then you look at the color I'm using right now, you can see how much different the two are. And there we go, and there we go. And no. Okay. Really bad slime. Okay, there we go. Just need to go like that. So now I need to draw a butt and legs. So let me just draw 2 shoes. And there we go. So now I need some legs. So let me get like an apricotish color, because that's the color of skin. And color that in like that, and make a giant butt. Let me just color it in, and there we go. So NONOnap, there is your suggestion: a slime eating a butt and legs. So I hope you enjoyed if you're watching NONOnap. So now moving on to the next comment, which is personally mine. So it is a sheep hugging an apple. So let's go. So first we need, like, because sheeps are black, we need the base body of the sheep. So so I need to draw. Oh no, that's not how sheeps are. Wait a minute. Okay, so I need to draw this and color this in. If you're wondering what I'm doing and I don't like what I'm doing, you'll see in 1 sec. Not exactly 1 sec, but a couple secs. That turned out much less thing than I thought, but I can just fix it up like this. And there we go. So now I need the feet of the sheep. But anyway, guys, I just have to pause the video right now because a little error happened, and yeah. So guys, I fixed the disturbance, and now let's make the sheep. So I'm just gonna change one thing real fast. I'm gonna erase all of this stuff. So then I need to make his eyes and nose and mouth a little bit bigger. Nope. There we go, and there we go. So now we need, now we need a big body, and color this in. So then we need a big sheep hand. Oh god. Well, let me just fix this and fix that. And now I just need, okay, so on second thought, I'm going to change the setting to this to make the sheep's wool. So, cover all over with wool. Yeah, you guys can probably see this on the screen. I'm going to just go like this, color it in. like that. And then I'm going to change it to black. I'm going to draw a big arm. And then another big arm to hug the banana arm. So, and then I need to draw a tiny, tiny apple. So, color this apple in. And then, I need a brown. 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 Where is brown? Guys, I can't find brown. Wait. I just had it. No, I just had brown. Maybe if I move it over a little. Okay, guys, I'm going to be back when I found brown. So, guys, I think I found brown. And let me just make the stem. Wait, no. Go back, and make the little stem with a little leaf, like. And I'm just saying also, guys, on future videos, though, I will not be picking a suggestion. I will be picking your suggestions only. So go like that. Oh, change it back to black, and I just need a to. So there's a little apple, and now for the finishing touch, a little black dot on the top, because I think that's on all apples, but I'm not sure. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my first ever Draw Your Comments video, and look at the masterpieces that we've drawn. A slime eating a butt and legs, and a sheep hugging an apple. So guys, hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe, check out my French channels, BunkerTerri, NONOnap, Jamon Smothers, and Beeine Boo Nation. So, hope you enjoy, and goodbye.